First of all, welcome to Uganda.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
How do you feel to be in Uganda?
I feel good, man. You know, Uganda is my second home, so it's always a new experience for me when I come down here. I mean, I see the love from the people, from my brothers. So it's always amazing when I'm down here. I feel good. I'm easy. Yeah.
Is it your first time to be in Uganda?
Oh, hell no, man. I've been, over 1,000 times. Over 1,000 times, and that's a fact. Yeah.
When you talk on 1,000 times, it means you have you have gone far places in Uganda.
Exactly.
Can you mention some few?
Been to Jinja. There are other places I don't quite remember, but I've been there as well. And my fan base all over Uganda, man, has always been massive. Big up to all my fans, them out there. So yeah, I've been coming to Uganda since 1998.
Wow, you're stable now.
Yeah, man.
You're one of those people who have been with Chameleone for a long period of time. How does that feel to work with Ugandan artists?
I'm the only one who's been with Chameleone the longest. Chameleone has been with my brother from way back. Like, I remember when he came back to he came to Kenya in 1997. No. First song the Chameleone ever released was Anjikiri Jikiri Pawanagea Mune Sagara Dambo. We did it with him. Yeah, in 1998. After that, we released Mikono Juu. After that, we released Mamma Mia.
Mikono Juu.
I taught Chameleone Kiswahili. Did he tell you this?
No.
Yeah. Chameleone speaks fluent Swahili now. Ask him where he got it from. His brother.
You were his teacher?
Of course. And his brother. His teacher and his brother at the same time.
And how was the experience when you were teaching him?
Amazing. Chameleone is a first love. Very, very humble guy. That's why you see until now, 27 years. He's celebrating 25 years in music, which should actually be 30 years. You know that? He did music 20 years professionally. 10 years he was crafting it. Yes.
What are those
I was with him.
What are those tips that you have used to keep your relationship with Chameleone?
I mean, we've always been God-fearing, one, appreciative of family, very strict on values, family values, very strict on being able to differentiate the professional life and the personal life. That's why his family is my family. My family back in Kenya is his family. I know his entire family by name. Their father, his mother, his father, the brothers, everybody. Yeah, Chameleone gave me my first chicken to slaughter in 2001. I was so scared, I didn't slaughter it. Yeah, when we came to Uganda that time. So seeing my brother in his prime and the achievement and the support that you guys have given him, my excitement is above the roof. I'm so happy to be here.